Hello everyone, Namaste and Salam Alaikum. Hi, this is Mariya Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. So guys, welcome to this session, and in today's session we are going to talk about anxiety. Yes, anxiety is one out of several mental issues which our teenagers are facing it today. To be very exact, 8% of the teenagers, anywhere between 12 to 17 years of age, are suffering with anxiety. So, what exactly, guys, is this anxiety? Guys, anxiety refers to anything intense or excessive and persistent worry. You continuously feel worried about something. You fear about everyday situations. For example, tomorrow is my submissions and I have not completed my journal. What will happen tomorrow? Oh, I forgot my hall ticket. What will happen? Ya fir I have xeroxed 4 copies, but still, what if I misplace my original one? What will happen? So you become extra worried for something or any other thing. See, worrying little bit is very important, but worrying excessively for anything and everything is what we call it as anxiety issues. Okay. So, what are general symptoms of anxiety? Always feeling nervous, restless, dry mouth, feeling dizziness, having a feeling of vomiting, what we call it as nausea. You have trouble sleeping, like when you fall asleep, you get this thing in your head ki, oh, this is something which is remaining. I have to do it. You get up, नींद चली जाती है and you start doing something else. So trouble sleeping, rapid heartbeat. So all these are like symptoms of anxiety. What can you do? Guys, always look at the brighter side. Focus on things that are in your hands. Focus on things which can be done in a better way. How can you make it happen in the most amazing way rather than worrying about this I did? Was it good enough? Or was it something bad? Or are there any ways like I can do it better? See, doing it better is a different story. But persistently worrying about it, ki, okay, yesterday was my maths paper and for me it was awful. What will happen? How much will I score? Will I be able to pass? What about if the scores are seen by my parents? What will happen? See, things which are going to happen, they are going to happen the way they have to. Nothing much can be done about it because that's past. Stop living in past. Stop worrying about past. Think about your present, plan for your future. So focus on the things which can be done in the best possible way and put in all your heart and soul and energy to transform that into reality. Okay? Replace anxiety with a passion, with a purpose. So every individual has some or the other passion. Okay? So identify your passion, recognize your passion. If you're already knowing your passion, great. Start pursuing your passion at least for half an hour every day. And if you can dedicate more time to it, great. Many times, passion can be also transformed into a profession. So, in the later part of your life, if you're consistently following your passion, definitely that can be transformed into profession. But here I'm not actually stressing on converting passion into profession, but yes, passion is something which can help you get rid out of anxiety. See, for me, my passion is dancing. My passion is listening to music. My passion is being surrounded with kids for any purpose, not just for education, for any purpose. So, this is something that gives me immense happiness. Gardening is something that I love. So, in this COVID crisis, when the entire education industry has been revolutionized. It has transformed from offline to online. Even in the initial few months, I was like, I can't see my kids. I used to meet at least 1,000 kids every day, and now there is only this laptop in my front, and there is a chat panel where I can see only the names of the students. I can't see the cute, sweet, innocent faces of my kids. I can't see their smiles. I can't see the spark in their eyes. I missed everything. Then it also made me feel mad and sad and depressed. Then right inside this enclosed environment that is my home, I started growing more and more plants. I started caring them, and when my plants had this beautiful flowers on them blooming, so it gave me the same kind of happiness which I used to get when I used to see my kids smiling कि हाँ ये bio का concept समझा and my kids are smiling. That kind of happiness. So I received same kind of happiness when I saw flowers blooming, when I saw new buds growing on my plants, when I saw that my plants are actually growing. So yes, recognize what your passion is, recognize, identify what's your calling, what your heart loves, what gives you soothing effect, and start pursuing that every day, at least for 20 to 30 minutes. Live simply. See, I know nowadays life is all about how much fancy you can be, or how much you can portray others that you're cool, especially in this digital age and social media platform. It's okay if you don't have anything to post on your social media. It's okay if you don't have uh, every time a new outfit when you post your selfies or when you upload your status. It's okay if you're not having those fancy books which your friends use it for your reference. It's okay if you're studying only and only from textbook. It's okay if you're having just one or two pair of shoes. It's okay if you don't go out every weekend, or if you don't hang out with your friends or go in the restaurants or have fancy meals and everything else. Simple living, high thinking. See, look at your parents. They are so simple. If you say ki nahi, my parents are not having a simple life, look at your grandparents. Look at the poor kids who are out there on the streets. They literally have nothing. But see the smile on their faces when they actually play around. Look at the joy. See, they have nothing with them. They don't even have good quality food to eat 2 times a day. But still, they are very happy, very content. So, that kind of happiness we want. Look at a toddler. It simply laughs even when you give them a smile. Bus, a smile on someone else's face should be more than enough to make you feel happy. That kind of a content person you should become. And distractions really help. Keep yourself occupied. If not studies, your hobby. If not hobby, helping someone else. If not anyone else, go ahead and help your mom. She'll be more than happy and she needs it. You know? So distraction helps. Breathing techniques, practice breathing techniques. So here in India, where when we focus on yoga, where we focus on breathing techniques, when we recommend pranayam for everyone and for every age, it's high time that you focus on your own breath. Stop thinking and worrying about anything else. Just breathe in, hold, and breathe out. So, this practice of inhalation, holding, and exhalation, and focusing only and only on your breath and nothing else, will give you a super soothing effect. And needless to say, it will also help establish your respiratory health. Practice meditation. Meditate. It calms your mind. It brings peace to your life. है ना? तो practice meditation and mindfulness. Don't talk too much or don't argue with anyone. Stay calm, stay peaceful. See, when in doubt, it's always good to stay quiet. But staying quiet for too long is again harmful. If you say that, ma'am, I never react, uh, I keep myself isolated, I don't like to mingle with people. So basically, you're bottling everything up inside you. It's good to emote out. At times you can be frustrated, at times you can scream, at times you can be literally in a situation where you want to pull your hairs out. It's fine to be mad at times. ठीक है, vent out your emotions, that's fine. But yes, once that's done, then come back to your calm state. That's important. So yeah, I hope all these tips have helped you, and you will definitely replace your anxiety with the purpose. That's what I feel. And if you found this session to be useful, like, share, subscribe. And yeah, one important thing I completely forgot to tell you, all the courses across Vedantu's platform are offered to you under this Christmas offer, okay, from 24th of December to 2nd of January at flat 50% off up to rupee 2000. So if you want to enroll with Vedantu, where we not only care about your academic progress, but we also care about your emotional well-being, mental well-being. We want you to progress when it comes to your mental health as well, okay? From poor to average to awesome, okay? We want every student to have an awesome emotional status. So yes, the link has been given in the description box, also has been pinned in the comment section. So if you wish to enroll with Vedantu, click on the link and ensure that you apply my coupon code, that is MACPRO, MAKPRO, to avail this 20% discount. Remember guys, this offer is for limited period. Grab your seats now, and that's it for the day. If you really love the session, you know what has to be done. Like, share, subscribe, and get back to me via mailbox or also through the comment section. And let's meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Milo Hafiz, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye. Love you all. God bless you.